Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use attributes in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to go to your admin dashboard. After that, you will need to make sure that you have the variation swatches, which is a plugin for WooCommerce. So here, I'm going to plugins and then make sure that you have these plugin. So let's just click on it and just click on view details, and basically this is our plugin here. So now after that you have the plugin, we will be able to start adding attributes to our products. So basically we need to go to products. So here we find it, we click on products, and after that we can go to attributes, as you can see, and from here we can start adding new attributes to our products. So here are the two attributes that I have for my product. I only have the color and size. Let's suppose that we want to add an attribute, for example, uh, shape or whatever, or image, or the logo or brand or whatever. So let's add brand one, and basically it will be brand, and let's make it also a brand one. And after that we need to select the type. I'm going to make it a select, so it can be a selection or a checkbox or whatever. So as you can see, we want it to be a circle, for example. And for example here, I'm going to add attributes, and basically I can configure the terms. So here you can add as many terms for it. So I'm just going to B1 and B1 and add new brand. Let's do the same, for example, B12 and B12 and add new brand, and that's it. Now we can start refreshing our shop, go into the shop, and for example, we can choose the brand if we have added it to the product. So if we can go here, we can find that our product doesn't have this uh, category or these attributes. So basically, when you create a new product, you will need just to give it these attributes, and that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.